Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by naming why you need distance and what you want to protect: time, energy, or mental space. Once done, set tiny, enforceable limits. Text only twice a week, decline weekday invites, avoid deep personal topics. Make sure to line up alternatives so you don't fill the gap with anxiety. Schedule a hobby, a walk, or call a supportive person. This prevents rebound emotional dependence and gives you space to test how caring less actually feels. You now practice concrete skills that shift your automatic responses. When you feel pulled in, use short opening lines to pause the conversation and create a boundary. This breaks the cycle of overinvestment. Once done, reduce digital triggers by muting accounts and setting strict social media windows so you're not monitoring them. Make sure to use grounding tools, breathing, sensory checks, or movement to soothe the urge to ruminate and to reinforce the new habit. You finish by locking in what works and adjusting what doesn't. Every week, check whether you have more energy or clearer priorities. Keep the tactics that help. When guilt or longing emerges, reframe it as a sign you're healing rather than failing. Remind yourself boundaries protect both people. If a setback happens, troubleshoot quickly. Tighten limits, rehearse your scripts, and reach out to one ally or counselor for perspective so you don't revert to old patterns.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.